Welcome to My Natural Hair Delights, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. My name is Brittany Shine, and today I'm going to talk about the top 5 things that restores natural hair. Silk and satin materials are very beneficial for your hair because it helps your hair to stay moisturized and maintained overnight. If you wrap your hair up with a silk or satin wrap, it will be very beneficial for your hair because your hair will love it, okay? My daughter, she's 2, and I'm not able to just wrap her hair up every night because she usually takes it off before she wakes up the next morning. So what I do is I give her a satin pillowcase so that she can lay on the satin pillowcase and she rests her head on it, and the next morning her hair still looks phenomenal, okay? So it's way better than using a cotton pillowcase. Coconut oil is one of the best natural ingredients for your natural hair. That is something that I have used when I started to go natural, was coconut oil. I used water and coconut oil on my hair to detangle my hair. Coconut oil is a very great hair detangler and moisturizer, so it's phenomenal. I love coconut oil. The cons of coconut oil is only if you are allergic to it. Like if you're allergic to coconut or anything coconut related, then this might not be beneficial for you. But there are other carrier oils that you can use on your hair, such as sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil. We also have black seed oil, sunflower oil that you can use on your hair to moisturize. But coconut oil is the top that can restore your natural hair. Protective styles is something that is very beneficial for your natural hair because it protects your ends from being all over the place. Sometimes it's good to, rock your hairstyle, let your hair all out, but sometimes it is good to keep those ends nice and neat, tucked in, okay? If you notice natural hairstyle number 5, protective styles, you'll notice that my hair was parted in 8 sections. And I just twisted each section and I pinned it down and I left my hair alone. And just leave your hair alone. Sometimes it's just good to leave your hair alone and let it grow, okay? Protective styles allows your hair to grow longer, okay? And it protects your ends from getting damaged. So if you have split ends, then you want to clip your ends often, but you also want to protect your ends by keeping it nice and neat. And this is actually a protective style as well, without the bangs in the front. So if you just want to tuck your ends all the way, you can rock a bun like this, okay? You can also rock the natural hairstyle number 5, which is just the twist in each section and just pin it back. You can also rock a bun in the back with some braids in the front. There's so many protective styles that you can rock on your hair to keep your hair protected. Water. Okay, water and natural ingredients. But first, let's talk about water. Water is very essential for your hair, and that's with any hair type, but especially for natural hair. Now, of course, it's not good for it to rain on your hair, or if you're rocking a hairstyle and somebody sprays your hair with water, or if it starts raining outside, it's not going to be very beneficial at the moment. But when you wash your hair, or when you're in the process of styling your hair, you want to spray your hair with water along with a moisturizer or hair butter, because that's what's going to keep your hair moisturized, and it's going to help your hair to grow. Natural ingredients is also important for your natural hair. Natural ingredients such as rosemary, such as aloe vera, moringa, fenugreek, flax seeds, we have sweet almond oil, coconut oil, I've already mentioned flax seeds. You can also use mango butter, shea butter. These are the natural ingredients that can help your hair grow. Cocoa butter. So there's so many natural ingredients that you can use on your hair. Some other natural ingredients that I haven't mentioned, such as avocados, what else? Coconut milk, oat milk. Those are the ingredients that you can use on your hair when you're deep conditioning your hair. I do have a couple of videos of how to deep condition your hair. Okay, so you want to check that out. And the reason why I always say natural ingredients is because that is what's going to help your hair grow. That's what's going to make your hair longer, thicker, healthier, and stronger, okay? Especially around the edges. If you apply any natural hair growth butter, hair growth oil, hair growth moisturizer, shampoo, deep conditioner, any of those things that you apply to your hair, your edges, your scalp, it all plays a part of your hair growth, and it thickens your hair texture. So that's why it is so important to stay away from toxic ingredients and chemicals that will damage your hair and possibly, God forbid, your skin. Okay, this is something that I had to go through, something that I had to overcome and recover from, because I used to apply toxic ingredients on my hair, and it has affected my hair and my skin. And so I'm still today recovering from all of those toxic ingredients and chemicals that I used to apply to my hair that made my hair shorter and thinner. My hair texture was very, very thin. And I didn't realize that my hair was damaged because of the unnatural ingredients that I used to apply to my hair, okay? So you just want to make sure that you apply all natural ingredients to your natural hair, okay? Natural hair, natural ingredients, they go very well together, okay? You want to use that on your hair. God restores your natural hair, okay? He is the one who made your hair. He is the one that created your hair for His glory, okay? So now it is up to you to learn how to take care of it and grow it. If you know how to take care of it, and if you know how to treat it the right way, then congratulations. I'm so happy for you. I'm glad that you know how to do that. But you also have to make sure that you apply natural ingredients, the things that He has created, okay? All of the herbs and like rosemary, cloves. I keep mentioning rosemary and cloves because that's something that I'm actually using on my hair, and that's something that I'm serving to my customers as well. That you want to make sure that whatever He creates that is beneficial to your hair, use it, because it is for you. I would ask the Lord to restore your natural hair and to give you wisdom on what to apply to your hair and how to treat it and take care of it. And if you don't know how to take care of it, or if you are unable to take care of your hair, then I would ask the Lord to send you the right person to help take care and treat your natural hair the right way with all natural ingredients, because that is what's going to benefit your hair. I'm telling you, it's going to be life-changing. If you've never seen your hair long, or if you've never seen your hair grow longer than what you're used to seeing it, try applying all natural ingredients that He has created for your hair and watch your hair grow. Watch your hair grow like never before. Watch your hair look healthier, beautiful, and stronger like never before. I'm telling you from experience, it will work. Your hair will grow, but you have to believe it, and you have to take the proper steps to make the change. Whatever you used to apply to your hair that wasn't beneficial, do not apply that to your hair anymore. Always check the back of your ingredients before you apply anything to your hair, because that is what's going to make a difference in how your hair looks and how your scalp feels. Even hair extensions, like hair extensions can be very convenient, I can say, but there is something about hair extensions that a lot of women tend to get used to, a lot of women tend to get comfortable with, and it's something that takes away the natural beauty of what God has placed on your head. Your hair is very beautiful. It is very beautiful and natural the way that God made it, but you have to believe that it's beautiful. And if you want your hair to grow longer, if your hair is already long but you don't really know how to moisturize it or how to, take care of it, then you want to ask God to help you to take care of your hair. Now, there are some simple ways that you can moisturize your hair, that you can keep it moisturized. And that's simply using a hairspray, okay? So you can use a moisturizing hairspray to spray your hair to make sure that your hair stays moisturized. Now, if you're just like styling your hair and you want to just like apply some kind of moisturizer to your hair, I would always spray my hair with water first. I always spray my hair with water first, and then I apply either my hair growth butter or a moisturizer, which I use flaxseed gel and coconut oil. I use coconut oil to moisturize my hair, but whatever kind of moisturizer that you apply to your hair, you always want to spray your hair with water first, okay? Because you can apply any type of natural hair product to your hair, but it probably won't sit well on your hair until you spray your hair with water first. So that is all I have for you all today. Thank you all for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delight. Hit that notification bell for the upcoming videos that I will be posting soon. So thank you all for watching. I hope you all have a blessed and wonderful day. I will talk to you all again soon. Bye-bye.